Hey guys, Anthony here, Seamless Floors, New York. We're in Staten Island in the animal hospital, the new animal hospital on Veterans Road. We're going to be doing a Sika system, a Sika mortar system, 1/4 inch throughout this place. As you can see, all the floors got grinded. We're going to do a mock-up today for the floor and the wall. It's roughly 5,000 square feet here throughout the place. All these floors are going to get the Sika mortar system. Really high durability, chemical abrasion resistant system. You can see there's a lot of drains in the floor. These walls they put a primer on these walls already. I don't know if that's the finished product in here, but in this room here, there's going to be the Sika, I believe it's Sika 215 system. They want this so they could hose everything down at the end of the night. You know, they're going to have a lot of dogs, cats. You can see here this is a canine holding area, and they just want to put everything down the drain, all the water. Again, this whole area is about 5,000 square feet. And that's it. We just got to get everything cleaned up, get all the equipment out of here. Today, again, like I said, we're just doing a mock-up. Clean everything up, do some repairs. Doing a small mock-up in this room over here. Yeah, all of these walls are finished. That was done by the contractor. We're going to do all of these walls in here. Alright guys, check back in a little bit, show you the process going through. Thank you. Anthony, Seamless Floors, New York.